A huge problem for people working in local nowadays. The business website that they offer as a free website has completely disappeared. Most folks don't know how to access, most folks can't access this dashboard right here, where you used to find the business. I call it the business.site. Crucial. This site's crucial for ranking, in my opinion, for local. And I'll get to that in my Patreon video. You can find the answers to all this. I'm going to show you here real quick that it is still available. This hasn't been published. I just found that it hasn't. I just found it. Also, in my Patreon video, subscribe, and you will. I'll show you how to find the this site where you can still publish it if it hasn't been published, and access it if you can't access it. It's really not extremely difficult. It's still there. Google has apparently hid it for who knows why, but it's gone. Let me just show you here. I'm going to hit first, I want to change the link here. Add the city. And just to show you it can be done. Hit publish. And then view site. Bingo, there it is. Whoops. There it isn't. Okay, there we go. It wasn't picking up the new link. There it is, and it's live. It's probably not indexed. I'll show you how to get it indexed also. But again, this is crucial for many reasons for ranking, and there's some tips and tricks within this page I can show you in my Patreon. The Patreon link is going to be below. It's very affordable. I know a lot of guys spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on training. This is very affordable, and you will get a lot of tricks and tips to help you along, including this one. Like I said, this is completely disappeared and inaccessible to most people in SEO right now, and you can't get to it. I was kind of hoping I could create another. Oh, I can create a post, but I can't create a page. I was kind of hoping to create a page in here, but that's 1,500 words. That's a lot of words and a lot of juice. But anyway, sign up for my Patreon. You'll get tips every week, and I'm going to be very consistent about posting a lot of tips and tricks. I've been in the business for 20 plus years in local SEO, and my clients are all getting ranked very well in the 3-pack, and hope to see you there.